Quebec has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern St. Clair County until 7:15 p.m. At 6:32 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Memphis to Mount Clemens and moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Emmett around 6:40 p.m. Goodell's in Columbus around 6:45 p.m. Bankerville around 6:50 p.m. Smiths Creek and Drattle around 6:55 p.m.
Environment Canada has issued a significant weather bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Ontario and the National Capital Region at 6:28 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Wednesday, September 11th, 2013. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued for Windsor, Leamington, Essex County, Chatham, Kent, Rondeau Park, Sarnia, Petrolia, Western Lambton County, and Watford, Pinery Park, Eastern Lambton County. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued